Hey guys, how's it going? It's Ray from CMA, and guess what? This charger, it's primed. The fenders have been worked, they're primed, they're ready to go for the blocking tomorrow. And also the hood, you see it in the background over there. Yep, that's also primed. So we've got a lot going on now. So tomorrow, it's another big sanding day. Just a different type of sanding. We're going to be blocking out the primer, making the panels straight, and after that we'll get a finish coat of primer on it, a sealer hopefully, and get some paint on this puppy. Now the hood, so because I had to do so much work on the top side of it, the underside of the hood that was loaded with body fill, the whole, you know what, I can't understand why anybody would do what they did with this hood. The whole hood, I mean top, bottom, in, out, side to side, and it's covered in body filler. The whole underside, every surface, that I found, everything that I had to do underneath it had body fill on it. Edges, seams, pinch welds. I don't get it. I really don't get it. But, so I had to fix the underside of the bulge part of the hood, because when I did all the work on the top of it, it cracked all the body filler underneath and it spiderwebbed it, and it was just a mess. So I didn't want to do the underside of the hood, but you know what? It makes the job that much better, and I'm kind of glad in a way it did happen, but it's going to be good. I can't wait to get this thing done and painted. The client is very happy with the progress. I just spoke with him a little while ago, and he is thrilled. So I'll talk to you tomorrow, guys, and we'll see how the rest of this goes. You know how it's going to go. I know how it's going to go, but you'll see how it goes. Have a great night, guys. God bless.